So all of us know once summertime gets here, dealing with cutting grass and leaves and things from the fall and the winter, and then just the thatch that's left over after you cut your grass. Nobody likes it. You know, if you look at my property, I can't stand a bunch of thick thatch after I've cut the grass. It just sucks. Doesn't make the yard look nice. You know what I'm saying? So I found this yard sweeper. On Amazon, and I'm telling you, I'm pretty excited about it. So initially, I'm just going to put it together. I'm going to show you guys how this thing goes together, and then we're going to actually show it in action. I don't know if you can see it, but that little section of grass over there that I didn't cut yesterday, we're going to cut that, and I'm going to show you, because right now we're almost in June, and there's not a lot of leaves on the ground, but I'm going to show you just how well I believe this sweeper is going to sweep up all that dead grass so your yard can remain healthy and alive. Let's get started. First thing is we're going to cut these straps off. Razor blade's kind of dull. Now this should be fairly easy to put together, but again, hang with me. We're going to do it together, so once you order one, you won't have any issues putting it together. There we go. So I had one of these a long time ago, and when I moved, I never replaced it. So let's see what comes in the box. So inside the box, you have this. This is going to be one of your arms. And this is going to be part of your frame to keep your grass catcher stable. And this is the heaviest part. This is your actual sweeper. I would say this probably weighs about 30 pounds. And this is your catcher here. And all the hardware that comes with it. And again, don't be intimidated, guys. A lot of this stuff is not hard to put together. And these are your hopper support rods. So you're going to put all these things in place. And here is your bag of hardware. So let's get this stuff out of the way. And the most important part is your user manual. This is a bag arm tube. And right here they give you all your nuts and bolts to put it together. And here they give you your rope so you can pull it and dump your grass or your leaves once you're done. And this is your hitch, and this is how you actually hook it to your lawnmower or your lawn tractor. So this is a sweeper housing assembly. This is number 9. That's what I'm saying. Everything is marked so you know exactly what it is. So when you first start tightening this, the instructions will tell you not to tighten everything down completely yet because you have to make everything fit. So, but you definitely will need a ratchet set if you don't have a ratchet, or a wrench that will fit a 10mm nut, and even get you some locking pliers or whatever to hold the nut while you ratchet it down. But again, when you're first starting, don't tighten anything. I said, I wish we had some leaves, but we're beyond the fall and the leaves have already been cleaned up. But just know that this thing works just as good with leaves as it does grass and and a lot of other loose debris. I mean, I've picked up mulch, wood chips, all other kinds of little debris with my old sweeper, and I'm pretty confident this one will do the same. Okay, so we have our hitch tubes on so that we can eventually hook this up to our mower. So once you get the angle bracket put on, which might take a little bit, remember when you're looking at the instructions, you always want to orient the paper in the direction that you're working. Just makes it a lot easier. So again, as you can see, a couple more clevis pins right here to attach that. And then we want to put our strap back on. I had to loosen it to give myself a little bit of wiggle room. So the purpose of the rope is when you're pulling the mower, it allows you to pull this up so that you can dump the grass. So once you get it hooked up to your mower, what you're going to do here in a minute, and you're pulling it around, all you do is when you get ready to dump your grass, you pull this up. So imagine it's stopped. Dump your grass out and keep on rolling. Now for me, this is one thing that I'm not particularly crazy about. I would like the rope to be longer so I can keep it in my hand. I may actually try to extend that knot to make it longer. But if I'm sitting on the mower, I want to make sure I have it close enough to me so I don't lose this and it falls out of my hand and I don't realize it and it gets caught up around that wheel. I've had that happen. So now you guys can see what I'm talking about. How much grass clippings. I mean, look at all this. So I'm going to go back and finish cleaning up all this grass because I like my yard to look nice. But you can do this with grass. You can do this with leaves. You can see there's leaves in here. Like I told you earlier, we are way beyond leaf season, so there's not a lot of leaves. But I'm telling you guys, this thing works amazing whether you're trying to clean up the grass or you're trying to clean up the leaves off your property. So click that link, check it out. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. And again, remember this little tip. Keep the rope out of your way. So we're going to go dump it, and I'm going to show you how it dumps. You're going to grab your rope. So we're about to go make some more passes and clean up some more of this big property that we got here. So anyway, love you guys. Make sure you click that link. Check in the next one. Later.